Welcome to Vintage King Motorsports in Baldwinsville, New York. This, my friends, is a vintage Homelite Super XL chainsaw. It is complete and has not run in many years, so we're going to think that this is pretty much for parts or restoration. Notice that the chain is not frozen to the bar like a lot of these old saws are. It's not missing any parts. There's no cracked, damaged, or repaired cases. It has good compression and good spark. If you'd like to see more information and details on this wonderful vintage saw, click on the link below this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more awesome vintage chainsaws, motorcycles, and new old stock parts. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matter most.